The compound interest on rupees 7,500 for 2 years at 4% per annum is. Now, the formula for compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now here 7,500 will be P, that is principal, N will be and R will be 4. So let's substitute the values. So we have your 7,500 into 1 plus R is 4. So 4 upon 100 raised to 2. So we have your 7,500 into now 1 plus 4 upon 100, or we can reduce it here as well like this. So this becomes 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. Okay. So now we can divide this. So 7,500 divided by 25, we have 300. 300 divided by 25, we have 12. And 26 square is 676. So 12 into 676 comes out as 8112. Now this is the amount. Now the question asked is, what is the compound interest? Now we know amount is equal to principal plus interest. That is, in this case, compound interest. So compound interest will be amount minus principal. Amount is 8112. So principal is 7,500. So if we subtract this, we get the answer as 612. So that will be our answer, option C.